In front of me is Umidigi A3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select System, and go to Languages and Input. Here you need to reach Virtual Keyboard, and go to Gboard. Now select Languages, and as you can see currently we are set up with English, so let's go to Messages to check it. Let's pick whichever contact we have around, and then if you will be typing a message, you will be able to use English dictionary. Here it is, and also English letters. And if you would like to change it, let me remove it. Let's go back. You can actually close it. So let me close it, and then let's go to Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and then select the language that you want to apply. As you can see, we can scroll almost forever, so you will definitely find something suitable. Then just pick the language that you want to apply, tap on Done, remove unnecessary keyboard, and from now on, you can smoothly write in Yiddish. And here it is, as you can see, keyboard language has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.